Hello everyone, it's Mark here with Cedar Falls Farm. I think as most of you know, I try to spend a lot of time taking my wife camping, enjoying retirement, in addition to the things I do around the farm, and have a playlist on our farm channel for the camping videos that we put out. This past week we just came back from a camping trip to Twin Lakes Corps of Engineers Campground over on Lake Hartwell, South Carolina, and Georgia. It's on the border of two states on the Savannah River Basin. And last load of trash I took off to the dumpster on the Moon Cool trike. I rode around the dumpster and here was this Camco 21-gallon honey wagon, as we like to refer to them. I mean, the thing looked practically brand new, and I'm like, why is this back here behind the dumpster? And I immediately saw that this spray nozzle was missing, broken off, which I've had the same thing happen on our 28-gallon. And this cap was missing, which I had an extra cap, and there it is. And now all I need to do is replace this piece, which is $9.99. This is about $150 honey wagon. Don't really need another one, but I figure for $9.99, why not? And people, please, if this is all it breaks, Amazon, you can find these things on Amazon for $9.99. And why not just repair it yourself? There's 3 screws to take out, so we're going to do that right quick. So bear with me, I'm going to get the camera set up and we'll get right back on this. Okay, so let's make this a real-time video so you can see what it takes to get this repair done. An O-ring, 3 screws, and this cleanout port here. 3 Phillips head screws to take out. You could use a electric screwdriver or a drill with Phillips head on it, but since it's just a small job, I'm not bothering with that. Should have a pocket knife. Just going to use it as a handy pry bar. Not doing too much because I don't want to break my blade. Just want to get underneath it. There we go. Clean this off. Put this O-ring on. Three new screws. You don't have to have a lot of mechanical aptitude to make this repair. Quite frankly, none at all. That one's tight. This one's tight. Don't want to over tighten and break something. Everything's snug down. There we go. How about that? Repair complete. Don't need this. We're done. So I don't think that took very long at all. Less than 2 minutes to complete the repair. You can see we have a good as new honey wagon. So just a quick tip on that, you know, if this breaks, if you've got a Camco honey wagon, that part, again, I'll put a link on this video for the Amazon site that I bought this off of, and you know, fix things yourselves, save some money. That's going to be it from this video, or for this video from Cedar Falls Farm. Hope everyone's having a great day. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.